Let's come. I'm gonna show you that, right? Come. I'm gonna show you something, right? Come over here, right? Watch. This is SSD. It's not SSD, this is a hard drive. So what this hard drive does, has a small thing inside, right, is a lot of huge nitrogen magnet. You can take it off. This is from Apple. They have a disk inside, so every time you record, it's going to record inside, but it's heavy and slow. So this one is going to be Toshiba, is old hard drive, exactly the same thing, slow, but you can record a lot of stuff inside, right? Forget about that. But this one also, the cost for receipts Pluto, also 1 terabyte, but you have to install this unit inside the computer. You cannot hand it, but this is SSD, very fast, affordable price. I did the review, I put the links in the description. Great if you don't carry anything else. Even better than this one, it's SanDisk 1 terabyte SSD, right? As you can see, it records very fast. You can have a lot of stuff inside, but I'm gonna show you something. Let me ask you guys, what are you gonna carry? The appendix on the side, on the left, on the back? That's what my brother's gonna know. Just comment below where it's comfortable. I never had any comfortable side on the, forget about that. This is 2 USB-Cs, but look at this device, right? Super small, you can buy multiple different colors. The coloring is beautiful, and you have a reader here, right? NewQ, you have a fingerprint reader here. All right, as you can see, all of them is a different storage. All of them is the data storage, right? Hard drive, some of them it's SSD, some of them it's just a SATA disk, right? So as you can see, this SSD different use case scenario, but the NewQ, it replaced them all in once. As you can see, it comes with a nice carrying package. It's super easy to handle, very nice. Unique design. I like the house design, very easy to hold in your pocket. So you have a 2 USB, USB-C and USB-C to A cables. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna take this the device itself, all right, connect to that, and you can connect to your phone or any camera system. Recording speed is more than enough to record straight to the device, the 4K videos. That's what is a highly my favorite part, right? So if you have any camera system, you can straightly record for that. And let me record the screen so you guys can see a lot nicer and easier. So they developed an app so for the NewQ. So app is super easy to use. You can just guys put the app right here somewhere, move my site, and when you go to the app, it's right away. If you have set up the fingerprint or the passcode, it's going to ask your fingerprint or passcode, and as you can see, blue, nice. The light, you can put the fingerprint, is reads very fast, and now you have all the informations here. So very easy to use app. For example, on the home screen, you have pictures, videos, whatever the documents you have. The reason why I like this encrypted fingerprint or the passcode device, I travel a lot on the motorcycle. If I lost my videos, everybody can have access all my data, right? For example, this is carrying is good. I used to use this. Now I'm going to carry multiple of something like this from this company, or with the fingerprint is like opens my eyes, right? So if you're doing any kind of business slideshows, any kind of tax documents, any important stuff, definitely consider to get one of these, because this is the safest version of this any SD cards, right? So back to the app. As you can see, you can see the storage. You can eject the SSD here, and you can see the pictures, all that stuff. When you go to the HDD right here, actually it's the unit, you can create or you can delete any folders from here, right? It's very fast. Or you're gonna click here and you can create new folder. So we're gonna name it new folder 1, and in the new folder 1, you can go to the inside and you can upload anything, or you can just from the computer you can put it in and out. So just regular like SSD or SD, the card's memory card. So what you can do is, again, this is the new after update. So you can select everything, select all, or select one of the pictures, one of the videos, and you can just, in this case, you can back up to the device. So it's very nice. But before it was automatically everything's uploading, but now you can do one by one whatever you want to do, backup to the device, and you can just show it here. So on the settings, it's going to be very easy. The clean cache again, and the backup settings, how you're gonna set up the backup system, right? Clear backup history, all the path, all that stuff right here. So here you can add multiple fingerprints or to change the passcode, all that stuff. You can add the passcode without the fingerprint, but the fingerprint is very easy to use. As soon as you touch it, it's going to be opens, all that stuff. You can do language, about us, all that stuff. Updates going to be here and the contact with them. So that's the app, super easy to use, as you can see. And also you can eject from here. That's it. Remove SSD, so you can just safely remove it. So all the files are going to be safe and nice and clean. Size wise, it looks long, but it actually is half of the size my SanDisk SSD, and very easy to just carry around. Fit and finish quality, it's top-notch quality, and definitely I highly suggest to get one of these and enjoy your data privacy, data safety. And let me know if you guys using any of these, and if you guys have any problems, just a comment below. What do you guys think? And I'm gonna bring something like this interesting products for you guys on the channel. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out also in the next video.